Welcome back to DIY RV and Home. Today, cooking with Greg out at the campsite again. And today we are making some taco soup. We're going to be doing that in the Instant Pot. Now you can make taco soup in a crock pot, slow cooker. You can even just do it on the oven in a pot. What the Instant Pot's going to do for us is it's going to allow us to saute the meat up. We'll bind everything, throw it in there, and we'll pressure it for about 10 minutes, and it'll incorporate all the flavors together. It's basically similar to, doing a slow cook for about 4 or 5 hours. So here I've got the meat already sauteed up. Next, I'm going to take me one nice sized onion. I'm going to slice that thing up, throw it in there. Be generous. It's real easy. Don't worry. Just don't cut your fingers off. Okay. That was hard. So far we've browned meat and we've chopped up an onion. Now, here comes the rest of it. We've got us some chili beans in a can with the sauce. Just want them all out. Next, black beans, can of black beans. Rinsed, strained, everything like that. Next, can of corn. Just pop the top off and just put juices and all in. Okay? Now we got us some petite diced tomatoes. We're going to use a full can of that. Here we got diced tomatoes with chilies. Okay? We like to just go a little bit lighter on the heat, so we put about 2/3 of a can in. Shh! I think I want just to touch over, but there's still some left. See? See? Tomato sauce. 1 can, about 8 ounces, I believe they are. Yes. We got 1 packet of taco seasoning of your choice. Or if you are the brave ones and you know how to make your own taco seasoning, do it. And last but not least, 2 cups of water. Put that in there. Just give it a little bit of a stir. We'll put the top on. We'll fire the Instant Pot off. We'll get it pressurized, run it for 10 minutes. When we come back, it'll be nice and ready to go. And we'll also have some tortilla chips to eat these with. Oh, and P.S. I am going to go clean that mess up. Boom. Now we're going to go set, because I got to start my generator up, pressurize this, and get this going. Alright, back. Finished cooking. Went ahead and released the steam on it. Button is dropped, so it's safe to open up. Open it up to see what our masterpiece looks like. Come in. Oh, it smells good. Let me just sum up. So there you go. Get you a chip. Look at this soup. Oh, ow. Sorry for eating in front of you folks, but it's really good. And by the way, we had to thank our neighbors for lending us some bowls. For some reason, we didn't have any bowls this time. I think it's because we just got done giving them some bowls. Not these bowls. But anyways, there it is. We're going to sit down. We're going to enjoy our meal. Simple, easy. Take less than an hour. Enjoy. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one.